Very good afternoon, children. I hope you all are fit and fine. Today we are going to revise chapter Daddy Fell into the Pond and some word meanings. So be ready with your copy and pencil because in your annual exam, written test will be there. You know, in your annual written test will be there. So you have to be prepared. All the MCQs types questions are coming, short questions are
Good afternoon.
long questions are coming. So be prepared. You have to write in your copy. I will share you questions. You have to write in your copy and before ending the class. So you have to complete it and I will ask you questions. Okay.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम क्या बोलते हैं जो एनुअल एग्जाम है वो कब से स्टार्ट होगा कब खत्म होगा?
It will start first week of March, but I don't know also the exact date. So when it will decide, we will send you. So don't worry at all. So first of all, start. We don't have extra time. Complete your work in your copy and I will ask you in class. And after that, I will share you the answer also. Means answer key also I will show you. So please complete it. No need to write the questions. Bag up. Don't waste the time. I have given true, false and question answer. So you have to put the mark and write the answer only. And I have given the question answer also. So write, no need to write the questions, only write the answer. And one more thing, I hope everybody have got one message from principal ma'am. That is regarding storytelling competition. है ना? So you have to record one story and send me by tomorrow. कल last date है, कल मुझे भेजना है. Okay, so please record any story and send me. You can take any funny story. You can take any COVID related story, COVID vaccine related story. You can take. So you just read the message, everything is mentioned. Okay, so I suggest you can take funny story. आप फनी स्टोरी ले लीजिए और उस YouTube में देख लीजिए फनी स्टोरी, उसकी रिकॉर्डिंग करके मुझे आज इवनिंग तक या मैक्सिमम कल तक मुझे भेज देंगे. ओके, टुमारो इवनिंग. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. यस भाव्य.
मैम जो वो क्वेश्चन आंसर आए थे बोर्ड गेम्स के बारे में, मैम उसको भी लिख के भेजना है या मैम स्टोरी टेलिंग के उसमें ही बोलना है?
बोर्ड गेम?
यस मैम.
व्हाट बोर्ड
मैम जस्ट मैम जो आया था ना, विच इज योर फेवरेट टीचर एंड व्हाई, मैम जो क्वेश्चंस आए थे 3 to 5 के में मैसेज में आया था.
That is a different thing. That is another. That CBSE is organizing storytelling competition on the stories of human interest. There are stories of innovation, sacrifice, going beyond the cell of beauty. So that is a different thing. So CBSE is organizing storytelling competition. जिसका स्टोरी अच्छा होगा उसको हो सकता है अवार्ड भी मिल सकता है. So you have to choose a very good story. You can choose any funny story and you can take any innovative story and you can take a story regarding COVID-19, COVID virus and COVID vaccine that you can take also. So topic I have mentioned, so take it and narrate the story very properly and then send me. Tomorrow by evening you can send. Okay? Tomorrow or maybe maximum Sunday morning, because Monday I have to submit this video. Okay, so start. We don't have have extra time. True, false I have given. The sky was blue and the people were in good mood. It is true or false? So write in your copy fast. The poet and his family were spending a day at cinema. They were thoroughly bored before daddy fell into the pond. Timothy cried when he saw his father fell into the pond. It is true or false? You have to write. Either it is false, either it is true. Daddy was crawling out of the duckweeds. Question I have given. What is the word meaning of fuming? What is the word meaning of telegraph? What is the word meaning of panel? Bias, technical, brood, defense, somber, mist, melodious. And fourth chapter coming, and I hope within a days you will get syllabus of your annual exam that you know very well. Then also you will get the syllabus. So please start preparation. All the best. So do it fast. Vinamra Pincha, I want to see your face. Vinamra Pincha. Priyansh Jain. Priyansh, have you sent notes?
मैम आप बोले थे तो फिर मैं एक और बार भेज दिया था.
Okay, good. Arush Durgeshi. Arush Durgeshi. I hope
Yes ma'am.
you have completed your notes.
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
You send it?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Complete your work. I will ask
Yes ma'am.
after the class, before ending the class, I will share you the answer also. So write it fast, sorry Surana, Nischay, don't waste the time. I will check your copy also. Vinamra Pincha and Dharya Jain. Switch on your camera. Vinamra Pincha. Vinamra,
Yes, ma'am.
you are writing? Are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you learned this question? Do you know what is the word meaning of fuming?
He was
What is the word meaning of fuming?
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know? Your exam will start first week of March. Today is 12th of Feb. Only 2 weeks are left. So when you will learn all these things, fuming means very angry. Why are you very angry? Fuming means very angry. Do you know what is the meaning of telegraph, Vinamra Pincha?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know what is the word meaning of telegraph?
Telegraphed.
Telegraph.
नहीं है लर्न बेटा, आपके बुक निकालिए आप. प्लीज रीड. You are not studying at all.
Ma'am, which book?
इंग्लिश रीडर बुक, इंग्लिश फेरी. वर्ड मीनिंग किस में है? कौन से बुक में है वर्ड मीनिंग? That also you don't know, Vinamra. इंग्लिश फेरी में ही है सारे वर्ड मीनिंग. Vaibhav Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you?
No, ma'am.
What are you doing? Are you writing or not?
Ma'am, writing.
You are writing. Acha Vaibhav, can you tell me what is the word meaning of fuming? Fuming, fuming. पता है?
Ma'am, I don't know.
सोचो वैभव, सिर्फ 2 हफ्ता बचा एग्जाम के लिए। क्लास 4 में फिर से रहोगे वैभव? क्लास
No, ma'am.
आना है? Do you know what is the word meaning of somber? What is the word meaning of fuming? Fuming का मतलब बहुत गुस्सा, very angry. What is the meaning of fuming? ये fuming का मतलब क्या?
Very angry.
Very angry. All questions are very important. So write all the questions in your copy 5 times. कितने बार लिखोगे आप?
5 times.
5 times you have to write in your copy. Tomorrow by evening I will call you and I will check your copy. All the answers
Yes.
write 5 times. You and Vinamra Pincha also. What is the word meaning of fuming? Fuming means very angry.
Very angry.
Of somber. What is the meaning of somber? Somber means dull. Dull and dark. आज का दिन कैसा है? Today's date is very somber. Somber means dull. Dark. What is the meaning of melodious? Do you know what is the meaning of melodious? Her voice is very melodious. Melodious का मतलब है कैसा है? क्या है melodious का मतलब? Her voice is very melodious. His voice is very melodious. Melodious मतलब क्या है? Sweet.
Ma'am,
Sweet voice. जिसके गले की आवाज में बहुत मिठास है, बहुत सुर से गाते हैं, बहुत सुर में वो गाना गाते हैं या गाती है, उसको बोलते हैं मेलोडियस. वेरी स्वीट वॉइस.
yes, ma'am.
कब करोगे ये सब तैयारी वैभव? ये सारे वर्ड मीनिंग आप लर्न करोगे और 5 टाइम्स लिखोगे.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? I am telling you for your benefit, not mine. Vinamra Pincha. Navya.
Yes, ma'am. I'm not Navya and Dakshita.
Wait, Dakshita. Wait a minute. You.
Yes, ma'am.
क्या चाहते हो नव्या? आप क्लास में रहना चाहते हो?
हाँ, मैम.
4 में रहना है, 5 में नहीं जाना है.
जाना है.
कैसे जाओगे? आप तो पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे हो. आप नोट्स भी अभी तक मुझे नहीं भेजे. आपका जो नोट्स नहीं आया, फेल हो जाओगे. एनुअल में जो जो चैप्टर्स आ रहा है, everybody is saying their notes, but you didn't. And Navya, all questions are important. Have you studied at all? Not.
Turn to you.
इतनी तेज धूप रहेगी, 4 बजे समय उठ के चलोगे तो बड़े ठंडे ठंडे में पहुंचोगे.
But you,
ये टाइम आपको
I called you in the morning. मैंने आपको आज फोन किया था बेटा, आपने फोन नहीं उठाया. ये all questions are very important. Daily I will give you some this type of questions. So you have to learn the questions. Do you know what is the word meaning of fuming? What is the word meaning of telegraph?
Ma'am.
Yes. Tell me.
Ma'am.
मैं लेट ज्वाइन की हूँ, मेरे को कुछ नहीं पता है इसमें क्या करना है।
कैसे पता चलेगा? आप मुझे कभी कॉल करते हो? हैव यू कॉल्ड मी? I called you so many times, but
No.
you didn't pick the phone. I called you so many times कि नव्या complete your notes. For your benefit, I am telling you, beta. For your benefit. If you don't want to go class 5, you want to stay class 4, you want to repeat 1 year again.
No, ma'am.
So I'll talk to you later. You just complete all the question answer. Kavya. Kavya Jain.
यस गुड मॉर्निंग मैम। मैम काव्या को थोड़ा अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है अभी,
Okay.
उसको बहुत हेडेक हो रहा है मैम। तो वो जो आपका वर्कशीट है वो आपको शाम तक आपको वो व्हाट्सएप कर देगी मैम।
ठीक है ठीक है, आप ये उसको बोलिए स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेने के लिए, ये या
हाँ
आप
जी।
ले लीजिए, फिर इवनिंग तक उसको बोलिए सेंड करने के लिए।
हाँ पक्के से मैम, है
ओके,
ना? थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
यस दक्षिता, दक्षिता, यस दक्षिता,
Yes, ma'am.
you learn all the word meanings.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what is the word meaning of melodious?
Sweet sounding. Sweet sound.
Very good. So can you make one sentence? Give me sentence.
Kavya have sweet sound.
Melodious sound. Yeah, Kavya has melodious voice, that you can say. So make sentence whenever you want to memorize any word. If you want to memorize any word, you just do one thing. You just make sentence in different manner. If you will make different sentence, so you can easily memorize the word meaning. अगर आपको किसी की वर्ड मीनिंग याद नहीं होता है तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए? उससे आप मेक सेंटेंस बनाओ, अलग अलग सेंटेंस बनाओ। एंड और
मामी से सिलाई निकल आज बात करना है तेरे को।
Okay.
चीज आप कर सकते हो, यू कैन यूज दिस वर्ड इन योर डे टू डे लाइफ। ओके, सो इन दिस वे यू कैन मेमोराइज दिस वर्ड। नाउ समीक्षा,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me what is the word meaning of brood?
Brood. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Telling.
You have not learned, Samiksha.
Ma'am, I have learned.
You open your copy or you open your book.
Ma'am, I have learned.
So it will take maximum 1 or 2 seconds, but you are taking 1 minute.
No, ma'am.
So I don't think so you have learned. I don't think so. Dhanvi Jain.
Ma'am.
Yes, Dhanvi.
वाला है, मेरे को सिर्फ उसका नहीं आ रहा है। मैं सीधा लिख सकती हूँ।
Yes. Ronak. Ronak.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Learn all the word meaning.
Yes, ma'am.
You learned. So can you tell me what is the word meaning of melodious?
Melodious.
What is the word meaning of melodious? Bolo, Ronak. Only 4 chapters are coming. Only 4. So you have to learn only 4 chapters. Maximum meaning I have covered. Melodious means sweet sounding. Just now Dakshita told us.
लेकिन लिखा करना है।
Vinamra Pincha, yes.
मेरे को भी है, देख ले।
Vinamra Pincha. Vinamra Pincha. Gaurav, I want to see your face. Gaurav Chopra. Your camera must be on. Yes, Vinamra, you have raised your hand. Gaurav Chopra, can you hear me? Yes.
मैम नहीं आई है।
I'm here. I am here.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Samiksha, yes, Samiksha, tell me.
Ma'am, the answer is to sulk.
बड़ा जल्दी आंसर दे दिया। निश्चय, निश्चय। Now, one by one, I will tell you answer.
Ma'am, I have done all.
Okay, you have done very good. I hope
Ma'am, I have done all.
answer. सभी का आंसर कम। So I am sharing.
Ma'am, full.
Okay, now I am sharing you I am telling you the answer. So you just check your copy by yourself. Either your answer is correct or wrong. आप अपने copy खुद check कीजिए. Okay. So now tell me how many questions are right and how many questions are wrong. Okay. So number 1. So check your copy. The sky was blue and the people were in good mood. It is correct. True or false? Bolo.
मैम false।
False. The sky was not blue. So gray. The sky was gray and the people were in
gray।
So the answer is false. So the answer is false. Okay. Next. The poet and his family. चेक करो अपने अपने कॉपी. जिसने फॉल्स किया वो टिक करोगे, जो ट्रू किया है वो रॉन्ग करोगे. If your answer is correct, then put a tick mark. If your answer is wrong, put a cross mark. Please be honest. गलती करोगे तो झूठ नहीं बोलोगे, क्योंकि this is for your benefit. I am telling you. If your answer is wrong, that is not a big issue. You can rectify. You can learn the answer. अगर आपका आंसर गलत है आप लर्न कर लो फिर लिखो, बट गलती हुआ है तो क्रॉस कर देना. The poet and his family were spending a day at a cinema. It is also Dhanvi. It is true or false? बोलो, it is true or false?
Ma'am, false.
False. The poet and his family were spending a day at a cinema. It is also false. Timothy cried when he saw his father fell into the... Okay, sorry. Now question number 3, sorry. They were thoroughly bored before daddy fell into the pond. It is true. But after daddy fell into the pond, the scenario has been changed. Timothy cried when he saw his father fell into the pond. It is also false. Timothy was very much happy to see his father was falling in the pond. So that is also false. Next, daddy was crawling out of the duckweeds. It is true or false? कौन बताएगा मुझे? वैभव बताएगा क्या? Daddy.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer बताओ. Daddy was crawling out of the duckweeds.
Ma'am, true.
True. Okay. Dakshita. Daddy was crawling out of the duckweeds. True or false?
And it is true.
Navya. Daddy was crawling out of the duckweeds. It is true or false?
False.
ओके नव्या बोल रही है फॉल्स. दैट मीन्स नव्या बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाई करने लग गई है. हर आंसर गलत बोल रही है. रौनक. डैडी वॉज क्रॉलिंग आउट ऑफ द डकवीड्स. डैडी वॉज क्रॉलिंग आउट ऑफ द डकवीड्स. ट्रू और फॉल्स? भव्या.
Ma'am, true.
नव्या बहुत ज्यादा पढ़ाई करने लग गई है ना. निश्चय. डैडी वॉज क्रॉलिंग आउट ऑफ द डकवीड्स. ट्रू और फॉल्स?
True, ma'am. And
द करेक्ट आंसर इज ट्रू. विनम्र पिंचा. द करेक्ट आंसर क्या है? ट्रू. नव्या प्लीज आई रिक्वेस्ट यू. नाउ क्वेश्चन आंसर. व्हाट इज द वर्ड मीनिंग ऑफ फ्यूमिंग? Fuming means very angry. What is the word meaning of fuming? Fuming means very angry. What is the word meaning of fuming? Fuming means very angry. What is the word meaning of telegraph? What is the word meaning of telegraph? Short urgent message in passed by telegraph. क्या होगा आंसर? What is the correct answer of telegraph? Telegraph means short urgent messages sent in the past. Repeat 5 times. मेरे साथ बोलना भी है आप लोगों को. Molly, repeat after me. What is the word meaning of telegraph?
Short, urgent message sent in the past by telegraph.
Navya, what is the word meaning of telegraph?
Short, the message sent in the past by the tele.
Graph. Again, repeat again. Navya, please repeat again.
Short message sent in the past by the telegram.
Telegraph. What is the word meaning of fuming? Navya. What is the word meaning of fuming?
Fuming, very angry.
Again. Fuming means very angry. Repeat again.
Is a very angry. Fuming is a very
Very angry. Yes, repeat 5 times. Vinamra Pincha.
Yes, ma'am.
Vinamra Pincha. What is the word meaning of fuming?
Very angry.
Again, repeat again.
Very angry.
Repeat say.
Very.
Again, what is the word meaning of telegraph? 5 times repeat karo. Repeat 5 times. Sorry, Surana. Sorry, Surana. Sorry, Surana. What is the word meaning of panel? What is the word meaning of panel? Sorry.
What panel?
Yes.
Panel.
Panel.
Urgent
Bolo. A group of people at an interview. Repeat 5 times. Gatha, Adus Durgeshi. Repeat 5 times. What is the word meaning of panel? Panel means a group of people at an interview. Sorry, repeat after me. Sorry, what is the word meaning of panel?
group of people.
Navya, repeat.
Group of people.
What is the word meaning of panel?
A group of people लेते हैं interview. A group of people लेते हैं interview.
An interview. What is the word meaning of telegraph? What is the word meaning of telegraph? Sorry.
Short urgent messages sent in past by the telegraph.
What is the word meaning of fuming?
Fuming. Very angry.
Very angry. Vinamra pincha. Vinamra pincha. What is the word meaning of panel? What is the word meaning of panel? Vinamra.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the word meaning of panel? PANEL panel.
A group of people at in
फिर से बोलो. A group of people at an interview.
a group of people at interview.
Again.
A group of people at an interview.
Again.
A group of people at an interview.
Yes, a group of people at an interview. Bevab. What is the word meaning of bias? What is the word meaning?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the word meaning of bias?
Bias. Strongly.
बोलो. Strongly preferring. Strongly preferring. बोलो. Strongly preferring.
Strongly preferring
One
on one thing
to
to
another.
and enter in a sincere way.
फिर से बोलो. Bias. Repeat again. Strongly preferring one thing. Repeat again.
Strong preferring one thing to another in an unfair way.
फिर से बोलो.
Strongly prefer one thing to another in
Strong
any
preferring. Strongly preferring. देखो लास्ट में ing है. Pray. PREFERRING. Preferring. Repeat again. विनम्र. बोलो. Strongly. बोलो जल्दी.
strongly preferring one thing to
Another.
another in an unfair way.
अटक जा रहा है. फ्लुएंट चाहिए. जैसे मैं रीड कर रही हूँ. Strongly preferring one thing to another in an unfair way. ऐसे.
Strongly preferring one thing to another in an unfair way.
What is the meaning of fuming?
Very angry.
What is the meaning of panel?
A group of people at an interview. A group of people at an interview.
Interview. Priyansh Jain. Priyansh, what is the word meaning of technical? Priyansh, what is the word meaning of technical?
कुछ लिखेगा तब तो तेरे को याद रहेगा कि ये है करके.
To do with science or industry.
Correct answer. Again, repeat again.
To do with science and industries.
Science. Do with science or industry. Correct answer. Dhanvi, what is the word meaning of brood?
क्या बोले मैम?
What is the word meaning of brood? बोलो. What is the word meaning of brood? निश्चय, what is the word meaning of brood?
मैम to sulk.
Sulk. Dhan.
To sulk.
Yes. Gatha Surana, what is the word meaning of somber? What is the word meaning of somber? बोलो
मैम
What is the word meaning of somber? Gatha.
मैम टू शल्क.
No, brute means to shulk. Somber, S-O-M-B-E-R.
अच्छा सांबर का पूछ रहे हो?
Somber. Arish Durgeshi. Arish Durgeshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Somber. बोलो Molly.
Ma'am, dull. Ma'am, dark, dull. Ma'am, dark. Ma'am, dull.
Your answer was wrong. एक आंसर गलत था. Now your answer is correct. Somber, dull and dark. Dull and dark. What is the meaning of somber? Somber means dull and dark. Somber means dull and dark. Okay, dull and dark. Dakshita, what is the word meaning of defense? What is the word meaning of defense?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, Dakshita.
Bold and. Ma'am has said this.
Bold.
Ma'am, bold and. Disobedience. Ma'am, bold disobedience.
Yes, bold disobedient. Bold disobedient. Repeat 5 times.
Bold disobedience.
Repeat 5 times. No.
Disobedience.
Every
Bold disobedience. Bold disobedience. Bold disobedience. Bold disobedience. Bold disobedience. Bold disobedience.
very good. Bhavya Lunia, what is the word meaning of mist?
Yes, ma'am.
Word meaning. Bolo mist.
Ma'am.
What is the word meaning of mist?
Sad days.
Sad days. Correct answer. Mist means sad days. Mist means sad days. What is the meaning of mist? Arish Durgeshi, what is the word meaning of mist? Arish bolo.
Yes, ma'am.
Mist का मतलब. What is the word meaning of mist? Sad days. So children, please send me your copy, photographs of your copy. Take a photograph and then send me. I will check your copy. Okay, and please learn all the question answer and word meaning also.